Hey guys, thanks for joining me. This is Chogal from Bhutan. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. Today we are going to learn how to create an oval shape with CSS. Create here a div tag and give a class name. Let's give the class name as egg. Inside the style tag, type dot followed by your class name. Then type the opening and closing of the curly brackets. This is our border, okay? Keep the height of the border 300 pixels. Keep the width of the border 200 pixels. Next, let's go for border radius. Your border radius should be 50%, okay? Here you can see we have created an oval shape. Let's add a background color. Add margin left 100 pixels. To make your oval shape more vertical, you can increase the height here. Let me keep 300 pixels because it looks much better. If you want your oval shape to be in horizontal, just reverse the height and width. If you don't want the border, you can remove it. That's it. Hope this video helps you guys. Thanks for watching and stay technically sound.